This is James over at Realty Candy. I just got out of the HighLevel Summit, and one of my friends gave me a great idea about building real estate websites using Lovable. So I'm going to walk you through this process. I want you to see how fast and how easy it is for you to build an IDX powered website using Lovable. Check this out. All right, so I've made a prompt and I have some of it showing here. What I did is I just gave it some instructions about how to build this, and I gave it a widget code to show the featured properties, which you can see here, and to build a search tool, and to kind of mimic another website that I like that I want to put on here. And here's a logo. This is somebody else's logo, but we're going to use it for this demo. So let's check it out. Okay, it's all public. And now, while this is running, what I want you to know is that you can actually host these right here on Lovable. You can point your domain to it and have everything pointed right here to your site. And what I'm actually thinking we can do is tie this into some sort of a form that allows you to fill out a little bit of information, like your contact information, a logo if you want it, a color scheme if you want it, about something about the cities that you want. We just run this. I think there's a way for us to send this all over to Lovable via API, and then it would just create this this website for you. So I'll show you another one that actually while we're waiting for this that I built a little bit earlier. So I didn't give it nearly as much instruction. I didn't give it a name or anything. I just gave it this code snippet. So I said, build a real estate website and put in this property search widget, buy, rent, sell, featured properties. So it just made some stuff up. And I really like the design that it gave it. And then here's some more information about our features and how to get in touch with us. But this turned out really good. And then I just stuck a domain to it and it was done. Oh, that noise sounds like it's done. Let's see what it built for us. Okay, so here's the logo. Find your dream home. Okay. Malibu, Bel Air, and Laguna Beach. Here's the featured property. So it loaded that widget in there that I had given it. You can see, okay, showing maybe a lot of Carol Smith, the person that we made here. Get in touch, send a message. Here's the logo again down here in the bottom, a little messed up, but you get an idea. So now let me just show you this. So let's do publish, and we're going to put in a custom domain. We're going to add an existing domain. Okay, let's publish it. That's one of our domains. Okay, and we'll just put, I want to use a subdomain, so we'll call this site 2. If you don't want to use a subdomain, you can just put in your domain right here. Okay, there's the setup details. I'm actually hosting here. It looks like it can do it all automatically, but I want to go to the manual setup. So let me go do this on my other screen here. So just put copy and copy. I've added it. If you've set it up, let me grab this link here. I'm going to copy this, condos site 2. We'll see. Can you build an about page and add it to the website? So it's going to make that. You know, all the pictures turned out really nice, I think. You can see it put a nice button in here. The logo, gave it a little bit of a beige color here on the background. I mean, I think this turned out super nice. So if I were to make this again on the prompt, I would say, make the Malibu page and link it to this other page. Make the Bel Air page, link it to this other page with all the IDX listings. Make Laguna Beach, link it to this other page. And so now you can start building some of this out with just a really powerful prompt. And it's going to build just a custom website for you. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so it looks like it made that. Let's update it. Let's try this here. I might have to try it on a different browser. Oops. So here it is. It loaded up. It has an SSL certificate on it. There's that. Let's see if it took that about page. No, it's still pointing there. So it might need a little bit of help to make all this work. Oh, no, actually that is the about page. Look at that. Oh, wow. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, it hooked it automatically up to the menu. I didn't even ask it to do that. So that's how easy this is. And we're going to keep building some more stuff out on this, but I just wanted to share this idea with you. Thank you.